Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Shayshe, and I'm back with another tour of my home. So we are now entering Shayshe's room. So this came from my old Shayshe room. This is just a your little stitch drawer storage that I use for my hair products. Here I just have a wig that I'm currently selling. It's a T-part 16-inch unit. Then my mannequin head here, some cards, perfumes. Here we have a vanity. This is the vanity that I purchased from OfferUp. This came from a place in Wynwood that used to do photo shoots and stuff, so they sold me this vanity for $3.50. It comes with, I believe it's 10 drawers. It had a drawer right there in the middle, but it got destroyed when my husband was bringing it upstairs. And I'll show you guys the lights. It does light up, so that's how it looks with the lights. Okay, guys. Then we have my window here with my blinds. We have this little setup here. I have a mirror, trash can, and then my rug, and of course my bar stool to sit on. And then this is where I record my YouTube videos. Here, this room also acts as a closet, so I have like my shoes at the bottom, like some sneakers, my jackets, and button-down shirts on this rack that I purchased for like $2 on OfferUp. Also here, I got this rack from Walmart. I believe it was 20 bucks, and I have my dresses, like my going out dresses that I wear here on this rack. And I actually wanted to spray paint it. I just haven't had the opportunity to do so. So that's how that little area looks. And then here we have some flats, heels, shorts, pants, joggers, jumpsuits, and jeans. And then handbags here, sneakers and sandals and whatnot. And then here, of course, we have my wigs. I use a shoe rack to make, and I use it as a wig rack. So I have all my wigs up here. And then, of course, we have my closet where I have junk. And then I have my work clothing here, pants, blazers, dresses, and skirts. And then I have shirts and socks and all that good stuff in these, I think it's 4 storage units. So yeah, this is the new Shayshe room. I absolutely love it. I probably will be doing some renovations, but I want to show you guys how she is looking right now. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. This painting was a gift. This was an old Shayshe room as well from my mom. All right, so thank you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.